What I have here is a lithium cell battery coin. My goal is to extract the metallic lithium from it. This coin cell battery is extremely thin, making it challenging to open. But with the tools I currently have, it may take me a bit longer to open it. To ensure safety and avoid direct contact with the chemicals, especially the lithium metal, I am using tweezers. Lithium is highly reactive, especially when it comes into contact with water or any moisture. It is always important to handle lithium with caution and take necessary safety precautions. Using tweezers is a good way to handle the components, but it is advisable to use gloves. As I carefully observe each part of the battery, I have noticed that the metallic lithium is not present. This is quite intriguing. Now, let's investigate further to understand why it is not present. To do so, I will immerse each component of the battery one by one in water and observe the reactions. Upon observation, none of the components showed any reaction when in contact with water. What I found out, in some lithium cell batteries, the metallic lithium is not directly visible or present in its pure form. Instead, it is often chemically bonded with other elements to form compounds. This is done to enhance the stability and safety of the battery. One possible reason could be that the lithium is present in a compound form, such as lithium cobalt oxide or lithium iron phosphate. These compounds allow for efficient and safety energy storage and release in the battery. So, even though we did not observe any reaction with water, it is important to remember that the lithium may still be present in a different chemical form within the battery.